Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Lee. So if you're new to this channel, welcome. How about you join the Crownz squad by hitting the subscribe button and hitting the bell next to it so you can be notified whenever I upload a video. And for my returning subscribers, you guys, you already know I'm always glad that you're here. So if you want to know the tea on this unit that I'm wearing right here, how about you stay tuned.
It's a bad man tonight. Oh Lord of His mercy. Hey, He's bad.
Hey guys, so today's review is gonna be on this unit right here, and it's from Bobbi Boss. It's from the Boss Lace First Class Hair, and I have it in the style Melody. And she has a soft blown out texture. She has a Swiss lace part, and it has a 3.5 deep lace parting. And it's heat safe. It doesn't say to what degree. And then I have it in the color FS1B/30. When you look in the back, it shows you all the other styles that's in this collection. So this was to look like a, you know, like when you get your hair blown out and put some curls in it. That's what it's supposed to look like. And I got it from Elevate Style for $28.99. If you get it in the specialty color, it'll be a $2 upcharge. So I feel like it's not bad for $30, the minimum or the maximum. It's not bad. So this is what Melody looks like. Look at that color. I'm already in love with the color. Like, do you see that 30 popping? It's peeping through. Ooh, 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 ooh. So for cap construction, she comes with 2 combs in the front, 1 comb in the back, and the adjustable straps. And it has like the little breathable material, and it's a little stretchy. And that's the parting space, which is not bad. So I'm gonna try her on and we will see what she's working with. Alright guys, so this is what Melody looks like straight out the box, and I haven't done anything to her. Yo! If you haven't noticed already, I like her. She's cute, and that color. Okay, calm down, Lee, calm down. But this is the part, the hairline, which is nothing. It's very basic. I'm gonna say now she's a basic hairline. She looks very wiggy. Like, do you see that? It's just like And that's the parting space, which is, I'll need to pour a little bit of powder to widen it a little bit. And the lace is ear to ear, but she is not big hair friendly at all. I mean, I have my wig grip on, and that makes it even snug. And I'm not getting any strands or whatsoever. She's shedding just a tad bit. I'm getting few strands. But I love this color. Stay tuned for the styling.
You made a big mistake thinking I would wait. You never took the time and now it's too late. I hate to feel ignored.
Hey guys, so this is what Melody is looking like after I cut the lace and I apply a little bit of heat. I think I apply a little too much heat because now I feel like this part is just flat. It's just too flat. It's like, and I feel like I changed the texture up here to silky from yucky to silky, just a little bit up here, and I don't know, but I like her. She is cute. Like, I hope you can see that 30 peeping through. Like, you see that? Yeah, I love that 30, and if she feels very natural. So I like the length. I like the texture because you can never go wrong with the yucky texture. Absolutely. I think she don't even have any. Well, she have one con as she's a little snug, so she's not BK friendly at all. I mean, you can try to put her on. She'll squeeze your brain just a little bit, but at least you'll be looking cute, you know. But I can't. But yeah, I like it. I think for the price and the style, ooh, I love her. I think I need to get more. I want to get Vanessa. Like, do you see that? Have any of y'all reviewed Vanessa? If you have, let me know. But maybe I should do Jules. I don't know. I like her. That's all I can say. I can just sit here and just ramble and blah 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 because I love her so much. But yeah, guys, tell me, what do you think? Let me do a 360 so you see what she looks like all around. Let's talk about Melody in the comment section. Let me know what you think about her. You already know what I think. I love her. You know, that's that. And make sure you follow me on Instagram at LoveYouCrownz. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye.
It's a bad man.